Hi guys, this is just a quick review of pen style lockpick set I bought from Amazon. This is what you get in the package. It's $9.95 on Amazon. You get this along with a booklet that tells you all about cylinder lock picking from Walker Locksmiths. It's quite good. Lockpick, cylinder locks, lock picking, how it works. All the info in there about different rakes, different tensioners, what cores look like with the pins, and blah blah blah. But anyway, this is the thing. Okay, Smith pen. Why they got a diamond on there? A torch would have been better. I don't know, but anyway, from H&H, and you take the top off. And this you can attach to your shirt pocket or whatever. This comes off, and this is your tension wrench. And inside, let's have a look what we've got inside. Okay, we've got a couple of hooks. No, I've not seen one of these for a while. It's a triple snowball, a triple snowman. Tiny hook. And I don't even know what you would call that. That one. Even pick it up. So thin. My big chunky fingers. Looks like something that you would pick the flesh out of a crab claw with. I don't know exactly what you can do with that. And then double snowball, snowman. And the idea is take the end off. You get this little thing in here. And let's say pick up a hook. Slot that in there. And put the end on. Oh, that's quite tight in there. It's been tumbled pretty well. There's no sharpness. And so you just use your little tension wrench and away you go. It's pretty cool. So that's the review of the lockpicking pen from Amazon. $9.95. That's all. Okay. Stay safe. Yeah, I like that. Nice detail on there. The end. H&H. Okay, good luck guys.